And this is what I call evergreen. So many of us post content on Instagram, we work really hard for a reel, and I've done it for years, and then after 48 hours, it's just kind of dead. It's just kind of gone. So, cool, thanks for that. You go viral, and a week later, no one's talking about it. So this video that I posted is continuing to get views. Now, although, what is that? 252 days, it's a fucking long time, it's still getting 200 views a day. 200 views a day. And out of those people, some of them will be converted to clients. So what I'm thinking now is, if I go full autism on YouTube for the next 3 years, I could back up away from it like Homer Simpson into a bush. And it could just do it for me. And you just don't get that on short form content platforms. Now, like I say, YouTube is unforgiving. It's very difficult. It takes a long time to get good at. You will have to get good at short form content first. But I want you to see this as kind of like your way out, your retirement. Imagine a world where you just work really hard to make one video a week. Because you could argue that putting 7 days into one video, you could produce something better than putting 7 days into 7 videos. Now, how do you know what money you make from a video? Good question. Use tracking links. And tracking links then show me, because this is the thing, when I go into my YouTube analytics, some of my videos that get loads of views don't make any money. But then some videos that don't really get many views make quite a bit of money. Now, you can see from that video alone, content mastery, actually, no, maybe this is it. Oh, actually, we've got a lot of things through to lead pages. But I don't think I've attributed all of the stuff there. 24 business mentorships. There's like 12,495. Old video, either way. People are buying from that video. Even if it's 1 in 200 people, that's a sale a day. From a video I posted nearly a year ago. Now, that's interesting. No calls booked. Very interesting. We'll get onto that in a second. Don't we need to do sales calls? No, but we'll get into that in a second. What's that? Money without doing sales? Not jumping on the phone with people? Oh, interesting. Brian won't be happy. So here's another video. That's AI, don't worry about it. I don't want to be too jacked, right? Don't want to intimidate people anymore. Again, you're probably wondering where that title and thumbnail came from. I stole it. Why? Because it was working well for someone else. And again, we can feel bad about stealing content, and I said this to someone outside earlier. I made a video a couple of years ago on metabolism, and someone commented, goes, oh, it's obvious you've watched Jeff Nippard's video about metabolism. I go, yeah, of course I fucking watched Jeff Nippard's video. Do you know why? Because he's got the most views of any video that's done metabolism ever posted. I'd be doing you a disservice to make a video about a subject without watching the video that performed the best and stealing the best 5 parts. I'm trying to help you, brother. If I don't watch the best video and steal stuff from someone smarter than me, I can't do my job properly. And don't say I copied it, because I'm funny. Jeff Nippard is not. So again, got a video here, and now I want to show you the amount of sales and potentially leads through to my lead magnet across time. So this is Evergreen. These are clicks, people going through to landing pages, because I do not like, I'm actually a very lazy marketer. I want to do the least amount of work for the most amount of money. Like Brian's team do weekly calls, I don't. They do sales calls, I don't. You've got my landing page, you go on there, and if you're not sold to buy my shit, then fuck off. Honestly, like, you're already hard work. I've not even got your money, and you're doing my fucking head in. Why are you emailing me? I didn't tell you to email me. James, I want to know more about the course. It's on the fucking landing page. Oh, just fuck off. You're literally giving me a headache already. Like, if me putting out content, you watching it for 7 hours, and the website isn't enough, I never, ever want to contact you or be contacted by you. I have never done anything for free, except this talk this year. Why? Because I took Dane for a ride last year. And I felt so bad that he actually accepted the figure that I asked to get paid, which just goes to show you how much clean health I'm making. So you guys, you're in the right room. That's all I'm saying. And that app, when it comes out, I bet it's fucking sick. And I would hate to see the budget that they've allocated into building that thing. YouTube, clicks, Evergreen, all the time. From a video 10 months ago. This is what excites me. This is what, bless you. To me, the idea of doing nothing and leads coming through is very, very exciting, because for the last fucking 10 years, I've had to turn up every day wanting business, wanting leads, wanting that. This, to me, is beautiful. Now, here's an even better part. This video ain't shit. for nearly 4 months. And then it took off. Do you know what happened? No idea. Couldn't tell you. Even if you offered me money, I couldn't tell you. Again, 265 views a day. What happened? Couldn't tell you. Money's coming in, sales are happening. Still going. It's not even that good a video. Sometimes YouTube will just like to fuck you a little bit. It'll go, oh, have that. Have a bit of traction, have a bit of audience. Why? Couldn't tell you. So one of the considerations we need to think about is if we move to long form content, it's a migration, it's a transition. Can't use that word anymore, can you? Thanks a lot, Bin Laden. So the idea for me, having evergreen leads, like today, I've not done any work, and I know there's still transactions and leads being generated from my YouTube, and it's exciting. That's why I'm sharing it with you. You got to realize that for me, this is pretty fucked, because I'm letting you into the biggest fucking secret that's ever happened, right? Long form content, make money without working, perfect.